My dear friends, in this video I am going to explain how to enter VAT payment entry. That means you have to pass a journal entry for input VAT and output VAT. In this example, overall sales is 1,75,000, that is interstate sale 2 lakh, tax is 4,000 and sales 5% at 15 lakhs, tax is 75,000. Exempted 15,000, tax is 0. So overall, the trader collected 79,000 tax against sales. Overall, the purchase, local purchase, that is 5%, that is 5 lakhs. Input tax paid is 25,000 and interstate purchase 1 lakh 53. This is inclusive of taxes. So you cannot take input tax on this interstate purchase. So this 79 minus 25 is equal to 79 minus 25 is equal to 54,000. This is the amount you have to pay to sale tax. For this, the payment entry is which account has to debit. My clients, there are so many clients are asking how to enter payment entry. That means which account has to debit. Either output VAT 2% or 5% or input tax. That is their confusion. So that you have to make a journal entry. All tax on sale debit. So debit CST. Then output VAT 5%. Only the tax amount 4,000, 75,000. Then input tax. This is the amount 25,000 and the balance amount goes to VAT adjustment account, credit to this account. While making the payment, you just debit 54,000 amount to VAT adjustment account, then bank account 54,000. That's it. Now I am going to explain how to enter this sales and purchase in Tally. So go to Tally. So already I have entered this sales and purchase in Tally. Now I am explaining how I have entered. Before that, you have to configure your account. You have to enable VAT in features, accounting features. Go here, then go to statutory reports. Here F3. Then go here yes. This also make yes. Here enter your company TIN number. That's it. Now CST sale, how I have entered. You just see this. So this is the party name Vinayak Traders. This is under group sundry creditors. Maintain bill wise bill yes. Here enter the name of your customer. That's it. Then sales ledger, interstate sales 2%. How I have created, just to see this. Interstate sales at 2% under group sales accounts. Inventory values are affected, yes. Use in VAT returns, say yes. Select the VAT class here as interstate sales 2%. That's it. Now the stock item. Actually the name of the stock item you have to enter here. Here for demo purpose I created a sale of item at 2%. Actually which item you have entered, you have to enter according to your sales invoice. That's it. 2%. And one more thing, tax ledger, how you have to create, just go through here. CST at 2%. This is the tax ledger. Under group is duties and taxes. Type of duty tax is CST. VAT loss is CST against 3%, 2%. That's it. Now we'll see output VAT 15%. How I have entered. This actually I have entered in only one invoice 15,000 as cash. You don't you should not enter like this. As per invoice bills raised by your company, you have to enter each and every invoice separate invoice. So here I have entered this party name as cash. Actually you don't want to enter cash. If it is cash, you have to enter cash. Otherwise you have to mention the party name here. Sales ledger 5%. How to create this ledger? See sales at 5% under group sales accounts. Inventory values are affected, yes. VAT returns, yes. Then here the class sales at 5%. That's it. Now the stock item, just you go through here. Name of item at 10%. You have to enter the actual stock item here. Here you have to enter a commodity code. Then you can press Alt C and you can create actual code of your stock item. This is the quantity, this is the rate, this is the amount. Then output VAT. How to create this output VAT? Output VAT under group duties and taxes. Duty type is VAT. Output VAT. Output VAT 5%. This is the class. You have to enter the sales and purchase VAT classes and everything. You have to go through this video. Otherwise you can't get the VAT calculation report on Tally. This over. Then exempted sale is not here. Go here, configuration and check out. Exempted I have not entered, I don't know. See all classes, yes. Here is the sale, exempted sales. How to enter exempted sales? Just go through here. Here enter the cash, cash or party as you wish. Here I have mentioned as cash. Actually you have to enter as per your invoice, whether it is cash or party name. If it is credit sale, you have to use party name here. Exempted sales. How to create this ledger? Enter. Under group sales, VAT clause, you have to enter here as sales exempted. That's it. Sale of exempted items. Here you have to enter the actual stock name, item name, which you have sold at exempted sales, that is without tax. Some items as declared as exempted goods. As per you go through your VAT website and verify the code of your items. That's it. Please finish. And here now go to purchases. How I have entered 5% VAT purchase. Here enter the invoice number of your supplier. Here the date of invoice. Here the name of the party. That means supplier. Your sundry creditor. Enter how it has created. Sundry creditor under group. P&R distributor, Sunday Creator, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Here you can enter VAT number of your supplier. Then purchase ledger. How it was created? You just go through here. Purchase account at VAT percent, 5%. Under group purchase accounts, inventory values are affected, yes. Used in VAT returns, say yes. Here you have to select purchase at 5%. Then raw material. Here actually you have to enter the name of the stock you have purchased from your supplier. This is only the example, don't make mistake, don't and input VAT, how I have entered here, you go through here. Input VAT at 5% under group duties and taxes. This is VAT. Input VAT. Here select the class exactly as I mentioned here. That's it. Here you can enter the narration. Purchase raw material at 5% from P&R distributors wide invoice number 2. Dated 2/4/15. Rupees 5 lakh plus 25,000 tax. That's it. And last one is interstate purchase. This also enter invoice number of your supplier. Then party name. CST purchase, you have purchased from outside the state. Here I entered Ram and Co. He is from Andhra Pradesh. That's it. Under group sundry creator. Interstate purchase ledger. How to create this? Interstate purchase. Under group purchase accounts. Inventory values are affected, yes. VAT returns, yes. Here select the VAT class as interstate purchase. That's it. Here you can enter the narration. While you are entering interstate purchase, you have to enter the inclusive of tax, that is total bill amount, purchase value plus VAT. If any freight charges, you can enter here as a ledger freight account. Like that you have to enter. Now see our Excel report. VAT payable is 54,000. In tally also 54,000. Now we are going to make a journal entry for this. F7. Say debit to CST 4,000. Again debit to output VAT 75,000. Input VAT 5%, that is 25,000. VAT adjustment, you have to create this ledger, Alt C, VAT adjustment account. This is under group, say you can enter as current liabilities because this is you have to pay 54,000 being VAT adjustment entry. Entry for April. That's it. Now VAT payment entry you have to enter. Go to accounting vouchers. Go to payments. Bank account. Create, say example SBI, State Bank of India. Under group bank accounts. VAT adjustment account 54,000 being sorry for any mistakes and my grammar mistakes. This is only for tutorial, don't criticize. Being VAT amount paid by check number. You can enter here your check number. That's it. So once again you watch this here. Whatever the tax collected on sales, that's a credit. And whatever the tax paid on purchase is a debit. So that while making VAT adjustment entry, journal entry, debit to tax on sale, that is CST, output VAT debit, credit to input VAT, this amount, the balance amount credit to VAT adjustment account. Thank you for watching this video, and my kind request you, please like our videos. Like button will appear on video. You can subscribe and you can share with your friends also. If you have further doubts, you can message us at tally at gmail.com. Also, you can send your feedback our through WhatsApp to my phone mobile number 9543198132. Thank you for watching this video.